Hello dear friends, welcome to the lecture of solid geometry. In the last lecture we have seen how to transform an unsymmetrical form of equation of a line to symmetrical form of equation of line, and we see that symmetrical form of equation of line is important. In this lecture we will study angle between a line and plane. We will obtain the formula for or result for this angle between line and plane, and then we will solve these problems. I have written the problems here. First we shall see this derivation, that is to find the angle between this line which is in symmetrical form and this plane which is general form of equation of plane. Now how to find the angle between the line and plane? The result is simple. Suppose this is a plane and suppose there is a line which intersects this plane. See, this is the line which is intersecting this plane. Now we want to find this angle. This angle is theta, angle between line and the plane. So I shall extend this little bit. Now what we shall do is we shall consider a normal to this plane, and that normal to the plane may be taken at any point. Suppose this is a perpendicular line. This line is perpendicular passing through this point. You have to imagine this is a plane and see, this is a line, and the angle between these two is this one. This is the angle, and what we are considering is a perpendicular from this plane to this line, like this. And see, if this angle is 90 this is theta, this is 90 degree. So what will be the measure of this angle? This is a triangle, so this is actually 90 degree, and by the sum of angles in a triangle, internal angles in a triangle, so what will be this? The sum must be 180 or pi, and therefore this is pi by 2, and therefore sum of these two must be pi by 2, and therefore this must be pi by 2 minus theta. So this angle is pi by 2 minus theta. So this is the angle pi by 2 minus theta. Why we want this angle theta, and why we have written this angle? Because this is the line whose DRS in general we shall consider, not DCS, that is direction ratios. The direction ratios of the line are given as LMN, or these are the direction ratios of the line from the equation of the line. And what are the direction ratios of the normal from the equation of plane? That means this perpendicular, that are A, B, C. And if we know the DRS of two lines, we have the formula for angle between them. So therefore we can obtain this angle, and once we obtain this angle can be obtained easily. So that is the way. Now we will start with, let the angle between the line and the plane be theta. And let here see the or we have directly the DRS of normal to the plane, direction ratios of the normal to the plane are ABC. Then, or before that we can write, then the angle between a normal, any normal can be considered. There are infinitely many normals. Say normal to the plane and the line is, see the figure, from figure, is pi by 2 minus theta. Yes, and now we can write the DRS of the line and DRS of the normal. The DRS of the normal, or direction ratios of the normal and the line are, now what are the DRS of the normal from the equation of the plane? These are A, B, C, are ABC and the DRS of the line from the equation of the line L, M, N or L, M, N respectively. And the angle between these two is pi by 2 minus theta. So therefore we have, if the formula is cosine of that angle, cosine of angle between two lines, then we have cos of theta, but theta is here pi by 2 minus theta. You should note that we are considering these two lines, normal and the line, normal to the plane and the line, and the angle between them is pi by 2 minus theta, and this is equal to, so we know it is sum of the product of these DRS, direction ratios, A into L, this will be A into L plus B into M plus C into N divided by under root of A square plus B square plus C square into L square plus M square plus N square. So this is the formula that we know for angle between two lines if the DRS of the two lines are known. And but what is cos of pi by 2 minus theta? It is from trigonometric formula, it is sine of theta, pi by 2 minus theta, allied angle, and therefore the formula becomes, therefore sine theta is equal to A into L plus B into M plus C into N divided by under root of A square plus B square plus C square into under root of L square plus M square plus N square. So this is the required formula. Now this gives the angle between the two lines in terms of sine. Generally the formula is in terms of cos for angle between the two lines, but we have obtained the angle between the angle which is complement of this pi by 2 minus theta, so that is theta, and this is the required angle, or this is the angle between the line and the plane. Thus we obtain the formula which is easy to remember. In place of cos we have to write sine theta, and the product of this A into L plus and addition of the product A into L plus B into M plus C into N, and the denominator is square root of sum of squares of the DRS of the normal, it can be interchanged, and sum of squares of the DRS of the equation of DRS of the line. So thus this is the formula. Now what will happen if the line is parallel to the plane? So that we shall write as a note. If the line is parallel to the plane, then what will be this angle? So obviously this angle will be 0. If the line and the plane are parallel, the angle between them is 0, or the line lies in the plane itself, then also the angle between the plane and the line is 0. And 0, or you may consider 180, but we will have it as 0. So if the we can consider this as a note. If the plane is parallel to the line, then theta is 0. And see from this formula, if theta is 0, what will happen? Sine 0 is 0, and therefore 0 is equal to this expression. And if 0 is equal to any expression, the numerator will be 0. The denominator can't be 0, but the numerator means A into L plus B into M plus C into N must be 0. Then sine theta is 0, that theta is 0, that is sine theta is equal to 0, and therefore we have A into L plus B into M plus C into N is equal to 0. So this is the simple result when the line is parallel to the plane. So thus this is the formula that we have obtained for angle between line and plane. Now we shall solve the problems on this. I have written the problems here. We shall solve first problem. Solution for 1. Problem 1. Now see what is the problem. Find the equations of the line. Find the equations of the line. We are asked to find equations of the line through this point, and line passes through this point, and line is and parallel to the planes, these two planes. So line passes through this point, it is given, and line is parallel to these two planes. So to find the equation of line, we know that we require a point that which is given, and further we require the DRS of the line. So the DRS of the line can be obtained from this fact. The line is parallel to these planes. Now these are intersecting planes because you see their DRS of their normals are 2, 3, 4 and 3, 4, 5. So these are not parallel. When the plane will be parallel if their normals are parallel. So these are not parallel, so that means the planes are intersecting, or the figure may be of this type. Say, suppose these are the two planes. This is one plane, and the another plane can be considered as this one. We have to imagine it. See, these are two planes like this, and they are intersecting at this. So this is the case, and so this is the line. Intersection of two planes is line, and these are the two planes, and the line is parallel to this plane. So that means a line is parallel. The given line is parallel to these two planes. So that is the situation here. And how to use this fact to obtain the DRS of the line? So if the line is parallel to both the planes, then the line is perpendicular to the normal. So perpendicular to the normal is also perpendicular to the normal. If this is the plane, then its perpendicular will be perpendicular to the line itself, or the line can be shifted here. So the normal to the plane will be this one, and the line is parallel to the plane. See, suppose this is a plane and this is a line, and then these are perpendicular. So same thing happens for this this plane also. So the line is parallel to both the planes, and therefore the line is perpendicular to the normal to both the planes. So this fact can, or this result can be used to obtain the DRS of the line. So we shall start first with the taking DRS of the line as LMN. Remember, LMN here in general we are taking as the direction ratios of the line. Let LMN be the direction ratios of the line, and the line is given, the line is parallel to the planes. So what are the equations of the planes? 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 5, and 3x plus 4y, etc. Therefore, the line is perpendicular to their normals. Their normals. Now actually we are not using this result directly, but we are using the earlier results. That means we are using this result as, so here angle between the, or we are also using this same result. So what we have written, the line is perpendicular to their normals, or you see the line is parallel to these planes. Line is parallel to the planes, and we have written as a note, if the line is parallel to the planes, then directly we have AL plus BM plus CN is equal to 0. So that gives, so this implies this is equal to 0, that we have written if the line is parallel to the plane. And what is now A, B, C? A, B, C are the DRS of the normal to the plane, And what are LMN? LMN are the DRS of the line. Now what are there are two planes, so we have to use this result for both the planes, and thus what we shall get is, this implies 2 into L plus 3 into M plus 4 into N is equal to 0. That is first result, and same result holds for the second plane. Its normal DRS are 3, 4, 5. So 3 into L plus 4 into M plus 5 into N is equal to 0. So by this, and therefore we have, by condition of angle, the line is parallel to the plane. See, 2L plus 3M plus 4N is equal to 0, and the second one is 3L plus 4M plus 5N is equal to 0. From this, what we shall get? We shall get the values of LMN and the direction ratios of the line, and point is already given here, so we will obtain the equation of line using that. And to find the DRS of direction ratios or the values of LMN, we solve these equations, as this implies, as earlier, L upon, we hide this and write the determinant 3, 4, 4, 5. M upon, and this should be written, this column must be written first, or otherwise you have to write minus sign here, 4, 5, 2, 3. And next is equal to N divided by, so I shall write it here, N divided by, and what is the result? You see, N, it is 2, 3, 3, 4, and from this we shall solve this and to get the values of LMN. So these are the DRS of the line. So you see the denominators, there are these determinants, so that is L upon, so what is the value? This is 15 minus 16, that is minus 1, is equal to M. 12 minus 10, that is 2, and N divided by, it is 8 minus 9. So simple calculations, 8 minus 9 is minus 1, or that if you take the first as first as positive, we multiply throughout by minus 1, or that can be, sign can be changed. L upon 1 is equal to M upon minus 2 is equal to N upon 1. Yes, changing the signs. So these are the direction ratios of the line, and there but again given, so DRS of the line are 1, minus 2, 1. DRS, I am writing short form of direction ratios. Direction ratios of the line are 1, minus 2, 1. Given that the line passes through, the point, which is the point is minus 2, 3, 4, and these things are sufficient to write equations of line. The point and the direction ratios of the line are known. Actually, point was given, we have obtained the direction ratios using the given geometrical condition, and now we can write the equations of the line. Thus, equations of line are, what is the symmetrical form? X minus x1. What is x1 here? Here, this point, x minus x1, but it is minus of minus 2, so it will become x plus 2 divided by first ratio, direction ratio, is equal to, it is y minus 3, y minus y1 divided by this M minus 2 and z minus 4 divided by 1. So these are the equations of the line, and this completes the solution of the first problem. Now we shall consider the second one. See the second problem. So what is given in the second problem is show that the equation of the plane parallel to the join of these points, 3 2 minus 5 and 0 minus 4 minus 11, and the plane passes through these points 2 1 minus 2 1 minus 3 and 4 3 3 is this one. This must be the answer. So what is to understand the meaning of the problem, better to draw a figure. The plane is parallel to the join of these 2 points means actually the plane is parallel to the line joining these points. So suppose this is a plane, and this plane, equation of the plane we want to find, and this plane is parallel to the join of. Parallel to the join means parallel to the line joining these 2 points. So the line, we shall suppose this line is parallel to the plane. This line is parallel to the plane. For simplicity, we have drawn the figure. So it is not necessary that this must be horizontal. The plane must be maybe like this and the line may be like this. So the line passes through, or the line joins 3 2. Suppose these points are 3 2 minus 5 and this point is B, and the plane passes through these 2 points. That means these are the points on the plane. So this is the point we may have as a P point, and the coordinates of this are minus 2 1 minus 3, and another point may be considered as Q, whose coordinates are 4 3 3. So that is the situation or the geometrical condition in the problem. Now you see, it is important to observe the problem carefully and to understand what things are given in the problem, and then decide what is to be done to solve the problem. It is given that the plane is parallel to the join of these 2 lines. This is the plane and it is parallel, and the plane passes through these 2 points, and what we are required to find the equation of the plane, not the line. So it will be easy to find the equation of the line because we can use 2-point formula, but it is asked to find the equation of the plane. Now how to obtain the equation of the plane? Now we know again 2 points on the plane are given. So but 3 conditions are required to obtain equation of a plane. Now first thing we shall consider the equation of the plane in general form, means the DRS of the normal to the plane will be A, B, C. So these are the DRS of the normal to the plane. So we shall start with this, and we know we have studied the chapter of plane, and we know how to write equation of a plane passing through this point, and that the result can be used directly. So we should write ABC be the DRS of the normal, and then equation of plane passing through any one point can be written. Then use this condition, this point also lies on the plane, and then we will use the fact that what is the relation between the normal to the plane and the line. See, this is the normal to the plane, and that normal is also perpendicular to the line. Both are perpendicular. So that means the DRS of the normal, and we can obtain the DRS of the line and use the perpendicularity condition. So in this way we can solve this problem. First we write the equation of the plane passing through this point, or let ABC first be the DRS of the normal to the plane. So that we have considered. Now equation of plane, when we write equation of a plane, that is single, and when we write about line, then that will be equations. That is to be noted. Equation of a plane passing through one point is given, passing through minus 2, 1, minus 3 is, now we know it, how to write, x a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. That is the equation of a line or plane passing through given point, and that is a, x minus x1 means it becomes plus 2. Refer the earlier result from the plane. B, y minus y1, that is 1, and plus c, z minus z1 means it becomes z plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the plane which passes through this point. Now we use the remaining conditions. The plane also passes through this point, given this plane, given that this plane passes through. Passes through 4, 3, 3, and therefore this gives, so that means this point must also be in the plane, and therefore that will give a into 4 plus 2, put the values of x, y, z as 4, 3, 3 respectively, and plus b 3 minus 1 plus c 3 plus 3 is equal to 0, or that is 6a, and this is 2b and this is 6c is equal to 0, and this can be reduced, we can divide throughout by 2, or that is 3a plus b. I should check the calculation. We are dividing by 2, 3a plus b plus 3c is equal to 0. And now we will suppose this is equation number 1, and this we shall suppose equation 2, and so thus we have obtained one relation between ABC. What is our purpose is to find the values of ABC. Once we get the values of ABC, which are the DRS of the normal, the equation of plane is obtained. And but to get the values of ABC, proportional values of ABC, we require two such relations. Now one relation we obtained in ABC. Now how to obtain the second relation? We use this fact. Now see, the DRS of the normal are ABC. And what are the DRS of line AB? The DRS of the line AB can be obtained by these 2 points. So the next, the DRS of the line are the direction ratios of the line, or we have named these points, so we may write directly as line AB R. From we are referring the figure R. Now how to obtain the DRS of a line passing through 2 points? That is easy. Subtract the coordinates, and the subtraction can be done in any way. We can write x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2, y2 minus y1, etc. So we will do the subtraction directly. 3 minus 0 and 2 minus minus 4, that is 2 plus 4, and minus 5 minus yes, this will be minus 5. The point, next point is this is, you see, 0 minus 4 minus 11, so that is to be corrected. So this is minus 11. So minus 5 minus of minus 11, that will be plus 11. That is, the DRS will be 3, 6 and 6, or that can be written in reduced form. These are proportional values, and therefore we can divide or multiply by any number. So to make it smaller, we will divide by 3, and like this earlier we have done, and this is divisible by 3, so it is 1, 2, 2. So these are the DRS of the line AB. Now the line AB is perpendicular to the normal, so that fact we shall use. The line AB, the given line is perpendicular and I shall write below because this equation we require. The line, given line is perpendicular to the normal to the plane, and therefore we have, what are the DRS of normal to the plane? The DRS of the normal to the plane are ABC, and what are the DRS of the line? 1, 2, 2, and therefore sum of their product must be equal to 0. So therefore we have 1 into A plus 2 into B plus 2 into C is equal to 0, and this will be our third equation. So thus we have obtained two relation in ABC, and solving this we shall get the proportional values of ABC. So from 2 and 3 we get see A divided by and we may have you consider this as first equation, this as second, anyway. So A divided by, if you hide this, then it will be 2, 1, 2, 3, and B, see second term is to be hide, and 2, 3, 2, 3, this column first, 1, 3. We should be careful about doing calculations, and C is 1, 3, 2, 1, or that is that. So thus we have written these. So we have yes, and now we will find out so B we have written, yes, it is correct, 2, 3, 1, 3, etc. And so we can find the values of ABC. So that is A divided by, what is this value? It is 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2, that is 4, and B divided by, this is 6 minus 3, that is 3, and C divided by, this is 1 minus 6, that is minus 5. So these are the DRS of the normal. Thus these are the values of ABC. So putting these values in 1, we get the required equation of the plane. So I shall continue here, putting these values in 1, we get A is 4, proportional values, and therefore directly we can take A as 4, B is 3, and C is minus 5. So A is 4 into x plus 2, and B is 3, y minus 1, and C is minus 5, z plus 3 is equal to 0, and that can be simplified as, that is, so it is 4x plus 3y minus 5z, and you see the constant 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3 is 5, 5 minus 15, that is minus 10, and that can be written on right side as plus 10, which is the required equation. Required equation of the plane. Now see the problem here. It is 4x plus 3y minus 5z is equal to 10. So thus we have solved this problem. Now you should observe the solution carefully, how the conditions are used, that is to be noted and understood. Now the third problem and fourth problem I will leave for you to solve. Now what is the third problem? Find the equations of the plane through these points and parallel to the line. Exactly, not exactly, but mostly similar to this problem, second problem. So what is, again 2 points are given. So condition may be written, which condition is written first and which is next, that is immaterial, but you should understand clearly. Here again we have to find the equation of the plane passing through these 2 points. That means passing through the points, these 2 points, here the points are given first and then the equation of the line is given. So passing through the points, so for I shall only tell you the hint, and for third problem, what are the points? 1, 0, you may draw the similar figure, 1, 0, minus 1, this is point, and 3, 2, 2. These are the 2 points from which the plane passes. and the plane is parallel to this line. So same condition, parallel to this line, and this is easier than the earlier problem. We obtain the DRS of this line by subtracting this, and here we can get the DRS of the line directly. What this line equation of the line is in symmetrical form, and its DRS will be, what will be the DRS of the equation of the line? You see, the line is symmetrical form, but the second term is to be observed. It is 1 minus y. It must be written as y minus something or plus something. So we have to change the sign here, and the equation must first be written as x minus 1 y minus 1 divided by minus 2, multiplying both numerator and denominator by minus 1, and then it will be z minus 2 divided by 3. So what this gives, the DRS of the line are 1 minus 2 3, and we can put these DRS, use the DRS of the line as LMN, and then we can use the condition that these are this line is perpendicular to the normal, so that gives a minus 2b plus 3c is equal to 0 if ABC are the DRS of the normal to the plane. So that gives the direct result. That means in the earlier problem 2 points were given, and we have obtained the DRS by subtracting their coordinates, and here we can obtain the DRS by taking the equation of the line itself. That is only the difference in first problem and second problem and the third problem. So you should note it, and then further you solve as we have solved the second problem. And what about the fourth problem? Find the value of k so that this line is parallel to this plane. Now this is very easy. We have written in note what is the condition for parallel of plane parallel to a line, and use that condition in the note. So it is direct. AL plus BM plus CN is equal to 0. From that find the value of k. So answer of this you should obtain. I shall not tell. It is actually a multiple choice problem, very simple problem. You can find the value of k orally also or by observation also. So this is about some problems and the result of angle between a line and plane that we have studied in this lecture. The remaining part we will continue in our next lecture. Thank you.